three important things in the perspective drawing. First, light, shadow and perspective angle. Make a point here and make a straight line from that point, and took 2 points and connect them each other. These are our eye level line, and connect those points from this to this and this to this. Okay, then make a straight line to make a cube. Another straight line from the other side of the middle line. Now make it little bit darker. See, there are two sides of this shown in the figure, so 1 and 2. So make it another perspective, make a eye level line and make a straight line from the point, and took a point below eye line and join from these two. Make a straight line to make a cube. Now we connect these 2 points so we can see the upper side of the cube, and connect to this point to this point. Here we go, we got a cube from 3 sides. Side 1, side 2 and side 3. Now we going for the shadows, lights and shadings. Suppose light comes on this side, so this side should be a little bit darker. So we are making it darker. Now making the base object base point, base shadow. It should be darker than all part of the shadow. It gives you a realistic effect. Now we are going to the shadow. Shadow always falls opposite side of the light, so it will goes darker to lighter part. So here is our shadow is ready and the first cube is ready. Now we are going to the second cube. Suppose light comes on this side, so this side should be little bit darker and another side will be little more darker than this part. Make it more darker from the other side. First crossed line, then straight line, so it will automatically getting darker. So we are going to the base shadow. It should be darker than all shadow. The shadow falls on this side because light comes on this side. First make it lighter. Don't use too much pressure on pencil. Now it starts from darker part to the lighter part. Make it darker according to the requirement. Yeah. It's okay now. make the border darker, so it will look better. This is the two perspective we have seen today. Try it, make it, practice it.